I just finished doing my 8-mile long run for this week. It was already 80 degrees at 8 o'clock this morning when I got out here, so it was relatively easy for being 80 degrees. I must say, I was surprised. Anyway, I was talking to some friends this weekend at a party, and they were asking me questions about my running, because I didn't start running until I was 70, and last year, shortly after turning 75, I ran a marathon. So I decided I would start a little series on how you can get started running if you're older. And so my first tip is you have to really, really, really want to run in order to be successful. And I guess that applies to any age, but especially as you're older and things are kind of hurting here and there, and you get some knee pain, or you get some ankle pain, or your muscles start aching, or whatever, it's easy to give up. So one of the first tips I have is to be very, very, very sure of why you want to run and that you want to run at all. So that's my first tip, and I will be back with more. Talk to you later.